Tom gets dressed, step by step. These are Tom's underwear. They are soft and comfortable. First, Tom puts on his underwear. This is always the first step. Next, Tom picks up his favourite white t-shirt. This is a t-shirt. He pulls it over his head. The t-shirt smells clean and fresh. These are socks. Tom chooses 2 grey warm socks. He sits down and pulls them onto his feet. Now his feet won't get cold. Next, Tom pulls on some comfortable pants for the day. These are pants. Tom puts on pants. He puts one leg in, then the other. Finally, he pulls them up. If the weather is cool, Tom adds a shirt over his t-shirt. This is a shirt. Tom puts on a shirt. The purple shirt matches his pants. This is a belt. This is a loop. Tom's pants have belt loops. He threads his brown belt through them. Click! The belt buckle keeps his pants from falling down. These are shoes. These are laces. He ties his shoes. Tom ties the laces on his shoes. Tom ties the laces on his shoes so he doesn't trip. Tom checks himself in the mirror. Now he's ready to go.